Pangatlong rason kung bakit hindi na practical ang or applicable ang pag-practice ng tithing ngayon. Nagbago na ang Levitical, nagbago na ang priesthood. Hindi na galing sa Levites. Paano nasabi? Binabago na naman ng Bible. Hindi ko binabago yung Bible. Basahin nyo kasi yung Bible. Puro lang kayo kinig-kinig sa mga prosperity, prosper. And sabi sa Hebrews 7 verse 11 to 12, if perfection could have been attained through the Levitical priesthood, why was there still need for another priest to come? Sabi, if perfection daw, kayang i-attain ng Levitical priesthood, bakit daw kailangan pa ng isa pang priest to come? One in the order of Melchizedek, not in the order of Aaron. Levitical priesthood is the order of Aaron. Priesthood ni Jesus Christ is the order of Melchizedek. No, for when the priesthood is changed, the law must be changed also. Malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw. Malinaw. Kailangan baguhin ang law. Ito mga Hebrews na kausap ni Paul dito. Ni-explain na ni Paul, or hindi naman pinangalanan yun, pero most probably si Paul yan. Na-explain na ni Paul sa Hebrews. There must be, the law must be changed. All sa Hebrews 7:17 naman. For this declares, you are a priest forever in the order of Melchizedek. Talking about Jesus Christ. Pag may nagbago ng priesthood, sabihin may pagbabago ng batas. So ano ng batas niya? This is the New Testament.